recommended this motorcycle. The motorcycle to have on your skate.
Well, I am enjoying the Avo exhaust. I think it was well worth it. It is punchier. It feels leaner, like the bike is running smoother. And most importantly, I think I have a little bit more torque on the bottom end. It just kind of pulls out of the corners and just wants to go. So that's a plus. That's 3 pluses for me. So it may not sound as loud, but I love the tone. It's a deeper tone. So, and it looks nicer. So consider the Arrow exhaust for your machine.